For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Connects to the factory stereo harnesses when installing an aftermarket stereo. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Pre-terminated with butt connectors to save install time. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connectors. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Top reviews from the United States. It made installing an aftermarket radio really simple. It's very inexpensive and was easy to install. I had the guides ready to help me figure out what wires went where but did not need them. The colors matched up just fine. No tape or soldering needed either. I attached some pictures I took of the harness while assembling it and added them to this review. I used the assembly with a new stereo bought at the same time as the harness off Amazon. In my situation, it was attached to my old 2001 Honda Odyssey.